Hey guys, this is Lisa Tedder, also known as Tedder Bear Stamping, and I wanted to show you what I did for my celebration. That's if every month during celebration that you spend $50 or $75 and you get to come and celebrate the celebration. Celebration. So I made this really cute pizza box. I didn't make it. I bought the pizza box and decorated it, and then I put this on the inside, and I asked everybody first what they were, if they were a dog or a cat person. So now this person is a cat person, so I stamped the cat, punched it out on Shrinky Dink, and then shrunk it. I added our really cute doodads here, can't remember the name of them, but tassels, and they are on the retired list, but they're so pretty I just had to use them. Then I made their initial and the Stampin' Up! Statement of the Heart, and then I did this, and I wanted to show you how to make this part. And all of this goes onto a key ring, and you just put it onto your scissors, so you have your scissors and you always know which one is yours because you have your initial. And I don't know how many times you go somewhere and you put your scissors down and then you get confused because everybody has the same scissors. This will solve that. So I'm just going to show you how to do I am going to make a dog and this. So let me start on that. Whoop, well, let's put this back in so that I can give it to her. Alright, so let's put that aside. I'm going to go ahead and stamp the dog on Stays On, with Stays On, and you just have to be careful when you're using the photopolymer to clean it immediately. Now, I won't be doing that right this second because I'm going to be showing you. So hopefully it won't mess it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just stamp him. I love Shrinky Dink. It's really fun. I forgot all about it, and then my girlfriend showed me, and I was like, oh my gosh, I remember how much I love that. But we always did it in the oven. Did not know you could do it with your heat tool. So I'm going to go ahead and punch him out. Alright, and then the biggest problem is figuring out where you're going to put your hole, because you have to have the hole to be able to mount it. So I did it once where I did the hole in the eye. Did not look good at all. So don't do that. It looked like I was mean. So I did it by his ear. And I'm going to overlap it a little bit just to make my hole a little bit bigger. And it depends on you on which hole punch you have and how many times, because I had a really tiny one and I used that quite a bit, and then I found this one. So I made a pretty good sized hole. Let's see that? All right. And then I'm going to hold it with my pokey tool and bring in my heat gun. Hopefully it will reach. Alright, and I don't know, I've never done it on paper, so hopefully it's not going to burn this paper. We'll find out. It's all curling up. Very scary because you don't think it's going to come back uncurled. Alright, and then what I do is I stick a block on top of it just to make sure it goes flat. Whoop! You want to let it cool before you try to pick it up. Alright, so there he is. Isn't he cute? He's so little. Alright, so I bought these online, And I am just using the ring that the claw is on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and what you can do is have a tool, which, where did I stick it? Here it is. Alright, some pliers, and just pull it apart so that it'll slide off of this, and then you can throw that away. Then you're going to put this onto your ear that you did, and then close it back up. I want it to be somewhat even. Alright. Alright, so now it's got the little clip that it's going to hook onto. And it's not in his eye. So then I also bought these cute little pins. Let's see if I can find where I put them. I had everything here. Just gotta find where I stuck it. Oh. If you like my music while I'm searching, it's my husband's playlist. He likes to have playlists for when we're eating so it doesn't distract if he's trying to be romantic. Alright, so these are little eyelets that are already closed on one end and open on the other. And it's a 2-inch one. So I went ahead and bought some beads because I plan on making a lot of these. Maybe not this many, but you never know. And I started off because they have to be small. And I really love these dark blue ones. And you start off with 2 of those. And you put them on. Alright. And then you are going to put on, I cut apart a bracelet that I got at AC Moore and put those on. So now we have 2 beads and a little cute thing here. Then I'm going to do another small bead. It's trying to find the hole when you have big fingers. Alright, and then I bought this bead, so now it's gold. Then we're going to do another blue one. You can mix and match. I just like how it looks when it's all one color bead. I really haven't tried it the other way, so I can't say for sure that it wouldn't be pretty. And do this again. So you just are copying what you did. And then another blue one. And another blue one. Okay, so then you have your top, and you just take the pliers and bend it so that it holds it closed. So now that's not going anywhere, but look at how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay, let's move this. Then I'm going to need one of these again. They come in a huge thing, so I am set for a long time. Alright. Alright, so now I have that open. I'm going to put it on this. So now I have these, and I just bring out some of my tassels, and I will at another point, but not right now, do the statement of the heart. And what else did I have on there? Let's look. Oh, and the letter, which I've already done. So she is set, and I just have to do the statement of the heart. So you put it all on to your key ring, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed this, and come back again next week. I'll see you soon.